Hello and welcome to this unique mixed reality experience. I will guide you through the entire process, which encompasses 4 themes and will take approximately 10 minutes of your time. Please start by reading the instructions located on both sides, and then click Start to begin. We might suddenly feel as though gravity has been lost. Everything is unrestrained. Our bodies have no fundamental difference from these tables, chairs, and computers. You start to imagine the story behind each object, their entire life. Please find your body hidden among them. Please place the body in the specified location and click to enter the next scene. Now you can control your arms, but control also can lead to lost control. Sometimes, you might question your body, if it truly belongs to you or if the person in the mirror is really you. Our consciousness sometimes gradually detaches from our body. Take your body, focus, walk through them, and feel them. This is your mind. Now, you can control the head of your body. The brain, with its billions of neurons, dictates your perception of your body and reality. When your emotions and memories are suddenly subjected to intense and painful changes, your mind becomes exceptionally active, and the body feels increasingly vague. But when your mind calms and stops, everything looks beautiful. Please find your body and place it inside you. You have returned to your body, and your memories and consciousness are becoming clearer. They are calling out to you. Please walk to the portal opposite you to escape from here. Welcome back. This experience visualizes an important psychological phenomenon known as dissociation. You have found your body, protected your body. You have become complete. Just touch your body. Feel it. Your body, mind, and soul together constitute who you are. You are not alone. Do not fear it. Hug it, just as hug yourself. Hello and welcome to this unique mixed